Hello students, this is your chapter number 9, the freedom movement of 1857 CE. So, open your textbook on page number 53. Nationalism emerged in India due to not only the arrival of the Europeans but also their behavior and policies. Nationalism, that is Rashtriya ki bhavna, Rashtriyata ki bhavna. So nationalism, it emerged in India not only because of the arrival of Europeans, that is the Britishers, the Europeans came to our country, that was not the reason, but also their behavior and policies. Behavior means व्यवहार, policies nitya. But because of the behavior and policies, the nationalism, that is Rashtriyata ने जन्म लिया. Nationalism emerged in India. An important event happened in India in the year 1857 CE, which became the first in the factors responsible for consolidating the sentiment of nationalism in our country. Then an important event happened, एक बहुत important घटना घटी in the year 1857, and this event, it became the first factor which was responsible for consolidating the sentiment of nationalism in our country. And due to this, first reason was for the awakening of the feeling of nationalism in the people. Reason for the outbreak of the revolt of 1857 CE. The main reason for the revolt of 1857 CE was the widespread dissatisfaction among the people of India due to the suppressive policy of the British adopted to spread their empire in India. Now, what was the main reason? मुख्य कारण क्या था रिवॉल्ट 1857 का? The widespread dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction means असंतोष फैल गया था लोगों में. The widespread of dissatisfaction among the people in India, and this dissatisfaction was due to the suppressive policies. ब्रिटिशर्स ने नीतियाँ लाई थी सप्रेसिव, दमन करने वाली. सप्रेसिव मीन्स दमन करने वाली पॉलिसीज थी ब्रिटिशर्स ने लगाई थी, एडोप्टेड टू स्प्रेड द एम्पायर इन इंडिया. अपना रूल स्प्रेड करने के लिए, अपना रूल एस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए द ब्रिटिशर्स हैव adopted the suppressive policy, and because of this there was a widespread dissatisfaction among the people. Let us review the reasons in detail about what led to this dissatisfaction, and now we will see that which were the reasons due to which there was dissatisfaction among the people. The first was the social and religious reason. The policy of social reforms by the company made people feel insecure and suspicious. So social reforms, तो सामाजिक बदलाव की नीतियाँ थी, पॉलिसी ऑफ सोशल रिफॉर्म्स विच वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द कंपनी मेड पीपल फील इनसिक्योर एंड सस्पिशियस. इनसिक्योर असुरक्षित, सस्पिशियस उन लोगों को शंका थी, शंका घेरने लगी. So due to this policy of social reform, the people were feeling insecure, asurakshit and suspicious. They felt that the government was trying to convert them to Christianity and destroy the Indian culture and religion forever. And by the introduction of these social reforms, the people started thinking that the government was trying to convert them to Christianity. उन लोगों का धर्म परिवर्तन करना चाहते थे, एंड ऑल्सो डिस्ट्रॉय द इंडियन कल्चर, उनकी जो संस्कृति थी उसको खराब करना चाहते थे, एंड रिलीजन फॉर एवर. People believe that the Indian social system was deliberately undermined in the railways, jails and military. Then the people also started thinking that there were changes in the undermined, deliberately undermined. The changes were there, उसको पूरी तरह से दबाया जाता था, deliberately undermined in the railways, jail and military. A larger section of our society was orthodox at that time, and thus the new changes aroused dissatisfaction in them. Then a larger section of the society, बहुत सारा जो सोसाइटी समाज का जो पार्ट था they were orthodox, रूढ़िवादी थे, orthodox. And so the new changes that were brought by the Britishers aroused dissatisfaction in them. उन लोगों में असंतोष हुआ, न्यू चेंजेस के कारण वो लोग असंतुष्ट हो गए, डिससेटिस्फाइड हो गए. As a result, many people joined this freedom movement to sustain their socio-religious structure. And so the people, they joined this freedom movement. आज़ादी के मूवमेंट में वो लोग ज्वाइन हो गए to sustain their socio-religious structure. Sustain means to preserve, उसको बनाए रखने के लिए, सामाजिक धार्मिक जो ढांचा था उसको बनाए रखने के लिए वो लोग फ्रीडम मूवमेंट में ज्वाइन हो गए. Economic reasons. The aim of the British was to bring prosperity to England at the cost of India. Now when the Britishers came to India, their aim, उनका उद्देश्य क्या था? To bring prosperity, अच्छी तरह से एस्टेब्लिश होना, फूले फले रहना. And that was at the cost of India. तरक्की करना इंडिया के कीमत पर. As a result, most of the section of Indian society became impoverished. And because of this, the Indian society, the समाज था हमारा, became impoverished. Impoverished, that is, they गरीब होते जाते थे, ख़त्म होते जाते थे. The landlord and peasants, having lost their land, participated in the revolt. And many landlords, ज़मींदार, and peasants, farmer, they lost their land, उनकी ज़मीन चली गई. And therefore they participated in the revolt. उन लोगों ने बगावत ज्वाइन कर लिया. Political reason. The East India Company acquired the Diwani rights. Diwani rights means right to collect the revenue. As a result of their victory in the Battle of Buxar in 1764 CE. When they were victorious in the Battle of Buxar, they got the right to collect the revenue. This was followed by an aggressive policy of expansion with the help of subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse, policy of annexation, and mere diplomacy. Now, when they got the right to collect revenue, it was also followed by an aggressive policy. ऐसी नीतियाँ थी, and due to this, the help of subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse, and policy of annexation. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Raja Kunwar Singh of Bihar, who were among the few of the victims of these policies, joined the revolt to regain their territories. And who became the victims? उसके कौन शिकार कौन बन गए? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई of Jhansi and Raja Kunwar Singh of Bihar. And so they joined this revolt to regain their territories. उनके क्षेत्र को वापस पाने के लिए they joined this revolt. Landlord and peasants who had lost their lands to join the revolt. And जो ज़मींदार और जो peasants farmer थे वो लोग भी join कर गए in this revolt to get back their land. Military reasons. The number of British officers and soldiers were very less in a vast country like India. So the British officers and soldiers were very less, बहुत कम थे in India. The ratio of the Indian soldiers to the British soldiers was approximately 6:1 in the military. So in military, सैन्य में, the ratio of Indian soldiers was 6, that is to 1. The higher posts in the military were reserved for the British. जो high post थी वहाँ पे Britishers को ही रखा जाता था. The opportunity of promotion was very limited for the Indian soldiers. Indian soldiers were not given the promotion, उनको बढ़ती नहीं मिलती थी. There was a big difference between the salary of an Indian soldier and a British soldier. And the salary, जो पगार था, there was a big difference, उसमें बहुत बड़ा तफावत था between the salary of an Indian soldier and a British soldier. Turn your page, page number 54. The Indian foot soldiers received 7 rupees while the British soldiers received 150 rupees per month. And how much the difference was there among the salary? The Indian foot soldiers, जो पैदल सिपाही थे, they got 7 rupees per month, while the British soldiers, they got rupees 150 per month. The British soldiers considered the Indian soldiers to be low and insignificant. And जो British soldiers थे वो लोग क्या सोचते थे इंडियन सोल्जर्स के बारे में? दे वर वेरी लो एंड इनसिग्निफिकेंट, काबिल नहीं थे, एंड दे वर नीचे थे, लो थे और काबिल नहीं थे, दे वर नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. As per the religious restriction, the Indian soldiers were not allowed to cross the sea, or else the person would be treated as an outcast. And according to the religious restriction, धार्मिक restriction था Indian soldiers के लिए, and that was not allowed to cross the sea, दरिया के उस पार नहीं जाने का. And if he goes or if he crosses the sea, he was treated as an outcast. If he went across the sea, he was treated as an outcast. उसको बाहर हो, कास्ट से बाहर निकाला जाता था. Despite this custom, the Indian soldiers were compelled to cross the sea in order to fight battles for the British. And though there was this religious restriction, the Britishers, they मजबूर करते थे Indian soldiers को to cross the sea and fight the battle for them. Thus, like other Indians, the soldiers too felt that their religion was at stake, and जो Indians थे उसके तरह जो Indian soldiers थे वो लोग भी क्या सोचते थे? that their religion was at stake, उनका धर्म जो था वो खतरे पे था. The soldiers, being a part of the Indian society, shared the same sentiments of grief, suspicion, and anger as others did. And so, the Indian society the soldiers were the part of Indian society. The soldiers, they were the part of Indian society, and they had the same sentiments, उनको भी same feeling था of grief, दुख, suspicious, शंका, और anger, गुस्सा, as the other did. The immediate reason, there were various reasons for the rising anger and discontentment among the people towards the British rule in January 1850, towards the British rule. So these were the various reasons which we saw, due to which there was anger and discontentment, dissatisfaction था, असंतोष था, गुस्सा था among the people towards the British. Britishers के सामने लोगों इंडियन के बीच में गुस्सा और असंतोष था. In January 1857, a new rifle, Enfield rifle, was introduced in the Indian Army. And during that time, a new rifle was introduced in the Indian Army. The cartridges of this rifle had to be beaten off before being used. Cartridges means cartouche. Now these cartridges that was of the rifle, they were to be beaten off. उसको निकाला जाने का था before being used. यूज़ करने से पहले उसको खोलने का था. These cartridges were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. और ये कारतूस से वो fat of cow and pig से ग्रीस किए थे. For the Hindus, the beef, and for the Muslims, the pork was prohibited by their religion. And this fat of cow and pig that was prohibited for the Hindus and Muslims by their religion. Hence, they felt that the Britishers were deliberately trying to desanctify their religion. And by doing this, the soldiers, they felt that the Britishers were deliberately, जानबूझ के अपने धर्म को खराब कर रहे हैं, desanctify their religion. Deliberately trying to desanctify their religion, the Britishers वो जानबूझ के अपने धर्म को खराब करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. The response to their complaints in the same regard was not satisfactory. The soldiers, they complained regarding this, but the response, that is, whatever the answer they got, was not satisfactory. Hence, the 19th Battalion of Barakpur was the first to refuse the use of cartridges. And when the answer was not satisfactory against the complaint, the 19th Battalion of Barakpur, they were the first to refuse. उन लोगों ने मना कर दिया to use the cartridges. As a result, the entire battalion was disbanded. And when they refused to use the cartridges, the result, उसका नतीजा क्या हुआ? The entire battalion was disbanded. उनको ख़त्म कर दिया. So students, now rest of the chapter will continue in the next video.